Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel AI Tech Field. In the previous video, we've explored the UI of Builder and got familiar with how everything works. Today, we are starting the actual build of our modern AI-powered e-commerce website. In this video, we'll begin creating the project and setting up the foundation for our e-commerce website. We start on the Builder Fusion home screen. Here, you'll notice the prompt box at the center. The default prompt asks Fusion to build a complete and production-ready CRM dashboard. To get started, click the Go to App button in the top right corner. Sign up and creating your project. After clicking the Go to App button, you will be redirected to the sign up page. You can sign up using Google, GitHub, or your email. For simplicity, we'll choose Continue with Google. Once signed in, you will be redirected to Projects page. Here, we'll define our new project. For this tutorial, we'll be building an e-commerce website called BookVerse, a platform for selling books online. To start, we'll provide Fusion with the project specifications, including the theme, layout, and functionality. Providing detailed project specifications. We'll write, create a modern responsive e-commerce website called BookVerse that sells the books online. After that, a detailed set of requirements are given into the prompt box. This includes UI styles, clean, modern design with intuitive navigation, header and footer, clear brand identity and quick access links, product pages, a catalog of books with categories, prices, and descriptions, shopping cart, ability to add, view, and check out items. We'll specify additional features such as responsive design and integrated payment options. You can give all your necessary requirements in the prompt box. Once all the requirements are pasted into the prompt, click Send Message. The system will now set up the project in the cloud. Watching the AI work. After sending the specifications, the screen transitions to project view. Here, you will see the steps: setting up the development environment, connecting to the network, creating a machine, starting the server, cloning the workspace. You can follow along with the AI's thought process as it breaks down the project. Design updates, HSL color conversions, applying Tailwind configurations, component creation, header, footer, hero, book cards, cart functionality, routing and state management for the shopping cart. The AI generates files like app, global, and Tailwind configurations. It then proceeds to create components like book card, category card, and simple horizontal carousel. Creating the cart and product pages. Next, the AI creates and structures the cart page with a table and checkout button, the home page with featured books, categories, and a floating cart icon that updates with the item count. The AI focuses on the floating cart feature, ensuring that it only appears when there are items in the cart. The component is generated as floating cart. Testing the functionality. Once the code is complete, the BookVerse homepage is generated, featuring the header, hero section, category explorer, and the footer. The category and bestseller links, which navigate to respective pages, the contact page, and the add to cart functionality. But we can see the bestsellers, new arrivals, contact pages are not functional. So to fix this issue, we can type the following in the AI chat box in the left side. My bestsellers, new arrivals, contact pages are not working. Create those pages too. The AI again starts working and create those pages accordingly. We can see now these pages are fully functional. And a quick test shows that the Add to Cart button updates the floating cart icon. But the login and sign up buttons are still non-functional. Fixing the login and sign up buttons. To address this, we'll instruct the AI to the login and sign up buttons are not working. Fix them. The AI responds by creating the necessary login and sign up pages, adding the routes to app and updating the header component for navigation. After testing, both buttons now work correctly, navigating to the appropriate forms. Final testing and preview. We then open the preview in the new tab for a full screen experience. The application sets up the environment and loads the preview window. You can now interact with the website, add books to the cart, view product details, navigate through categories, bestsellers, and new arrivals. Access the contact page, login, and sign up forms. The floating cart updates with the item count, and the Proceed to Checkout button leads to the checkout page. This concludes our tutorial on building the BookVerse e-commerce website using Builder. We have successfully defined a project, watched the AI generate the code, and tested the functionality. Stay tuned for the next part of the tutorial where we'll integrate GitHub and deploy the project using Vercel. Thank you for watching. Subscribe AI Tech Feed for more such awesome videos.